Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Jodie Whittaker is quitting at the end of the next Doctor Who series, when she will regenerate into the 14th Time Lord. The 38-year-old has told bosses she intends to stick to the traditional rule of leaving after 3 stints in the TARDIS, like the majority of her predecessors. 5 days ago.
Take our lead.
Star Chris Marshall. Whittaker's departure will once again open up the role of the Doctor and prompt questions about a successor. My Family and Death in Paradise star Chris Marshall has been linked with the role of the Doctor for a number of years and is favorite to replace her, according to Coral. 4 days ago.
Take our lead.
John Bishop is to become Doctor Who's companion in the next series. The comedian will join 13th Doctor Jodie Whittaker and Mandip Gill, who plays Yaz, in the role of Dan, the BBC has announced. 7 days ago.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Yes. Of course there's a chance that Doctor Who could be cancelled. There's always a chance that any program can be cancelled. In fact, the vast majority of programs will be cancelled at some point.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.